Well, hello. All right, today I want to talk to you about the next step of our project, okay? When you have your design all figured out, did it in pencil, go over it in Sharpie if you haven't finished that, or just a marker is fine too. We realized you could use a Crayola marker that's a dark color to go over pencil lines. That would be totally fine. When that's all finished, I want you to grab a coffee filter, okay? And they do have some creases in, that's okay. You're gonna lay it out as flat as you can on here. And I just want you, this one you have to use a Sharpie for this part, okay? Because we need a permanent marker. So I'm gonna kind of line it up. And once you start, I want you to not move the coffee filter. So really use your other hand to hold it in place, okay? So maybe I'll start from the center, just like I did my design. And I'm just gonna trace over everything. I am not moving my other hand. I'm just gonna finish this entire thing and go nice and slow. Like use your hands. I'm using both of them to kind of lay it out. If it's not perfect, is that okay? Yes, totally okay. Don't worry about it. Just do the best you can. Okay, and so go over all your lines, get that done. And when you are done with that, make sure that you include your name somewhere, okay? So maybe I'll put my name in the center. I'm just gonna do Codstein. Look at your design, figure out somewhere where you could put your name. I am gonna hang these by like a certain color of yarn for each teacher. So maybe your teacher will have blue and another teacher will have like a pink. I have a lot of yarn, and so I can do a different color for each teacher. I'll keep track of that. Okay, I'll make a little chart so that if you can't find yours, you'll be able to look at the chart to find what color of yarn your teacher has theirs in the hallway hanging by, okay? So after this is all traced, mine is not done, but if you get yours done today, I'm just gonna stop here for a second. If you get yours all done today, we are gonna start to add color, and we're just gonna use the markers that are at your basket, okay? These work great for this project, okay? Pretend mine is done. Can you guys use your imagination? Pretend it's finished, and then you're just gonna grab whatever markers you want today, and I want you to color the entire thing in, okay? So leave no white. We want these to be really bright, full of color, and just color the entire thing in. You're probably gonna wanna use a messy mat under here, just because these coffee filters are very thin, and look it did go through to my worksheet, okay? So make sure you have something under this when you're working. If it's not a messy mat, it could also be your worksheet, just like I did mine, because once we're done with the worksheet and we have it transferred onto here, then we don't really need this worksheet anymore unless you'd like to take it home. You're welcome to take it home if you want to try this activity at home too. Okay, so that's the plan for today. We are going to do Sharpie for our designs, Sharpie on the coffee filter and transfer it, but finish yours. Mine I know is not finished, okay? And then add some color with the markers that are in your baskets, okay? So if you don't get color done today, not a big deal. I'll see you in a couple days and we'll just, finish wherever we leave off.